How to add a Google Manager to your Google Business profile, the new way without the dashboard within search. So type in your business name, Trevor Tynes, SEO consultant, like I did. Forget about those ads. Then you'll get your business on Google here. You'll see the three dots up on the right. You'll see a list of options. Press business profile settings. You'll be taken to the list of options here. Then you'll go to managers, click on that, and then you'll be able to see add, and you tap on that, and then you enter your email address. You choose manager or owner, and then you tap on the bottom right, invite. And then you just wait for the manager or new owner to accept.